Hey iPhone lovers! Today I'm diving into the awesome new privacy features in iOS 18. If you're like me, you want to keep your data safe and secure. So let's get into it. First up, we have App Privacy Reports. This is a game changer. You can now see how often apps access your sensitive data like location, microphone, and camera in real time. Just head to Settings, then Privacy, and tap on App Privacy Report. Boom! Instant transparency. Next, let's talk about sensitive content warnings. Ever received an unexpected explicit image? iOS 18 has your back. It automatically blurs these images in your messages. You get to choose whether to view or ignore them. To turn this on, go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for sensitive content. Easy peasy. Mail and Safari also got a sweet privacy boost. With improved protection against trackers, you're way less likely to be profiled by marketers. In Mail, tracking pixels are blocked. And in Safari, intelligent tracking prevention keeps those nasty trackers at bay. Just make sure you keep these apps updated to benefit from all these goodies. Finally, the revamped Permissions Manager is here to simplify your life. This centralized dashboard makes managing app permissions a breeze. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Permissions Manager. You can now easily grant or revoke access to your location, photos, camera, and more. No more digging through each app individually. So there you have it. iOS 18 is packed with features to keep your data safe and give you more control. Give them a try and take charge of your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.